guys, and welcome to our channel again. Thanks for commenting and subscribing. And again, I ask please to comment and subscribe in the section below. Now, today's video is going to be about Tanisha's birthday. A week ago, and by we I mean friends of hers and friends of mine, we came together to celebrate her birthday at the AC Marriott in Kingston. It's a nice hotel to go. The lounge area is pretty cool, it's pretty nice. So we went there to, celebrate the day with her. So here's the video, enjoy, and remember to comment and subscribe. Thank you.
I'm Tanisha's good friend,
Yeah.
years,
Yeah.
and she's my everything. And I love her. That's
Awesome. Sandra.
I'm Sandra, and I know Tanisha from the salon. I know her for years. Years now, I'm married to Tanisha. Many more years. God bless you and save her.
Aye.
I'm Conry. I know Tanisha through my girlfriend Peter J. And I just did some calculation and knowing her for 4 years, that would mean I know Tanisha for 4 years. So that's one
Yeah. Yeah. Hello. Focus. Yeah.
Happy birthday again, Tanisha. Thank you.
All right. Going around.
I'm Darian. Tanisha from Boston.
Yeah. Too short. Yeah. Yeah. All right.
I'm Nordia. Tanisha for some months. Jermaine, Trisha.
All right. Awesome.
But I wish her all the very best for today. Hope you see a whole lot more. Thank you so much. And thanks for
All right.
You're welcome.
Okay. So, my time now. Yeah. Who are we tomorrow? I came across Tanisha through.
I only get to pen and paper and I've kept chatting. So many years.
Many years we know it is? Oh yeah, 2 years now. Because we are going so damn good. God is good, of course. Amen all the time. Yeah, so yeah, we want to share many more years of awesomeness, That's our favorite word, awesomeness. Yeah. So, honey, all the best on your night.
When I can bust a little kiss or something,
Everybody's a kiss.
Yeah, kiss. Wanna have no kiss.
She catch it now.
Oh wait, I never see it a while ago. Sorry, I never see it a while ago.
You don't see plate?
You on the plate?
Oh, you're supposed to have see plate too. Look at my face. Awesome face. Oh, you catch my face now? Catch me. 6 ounces, you know? Price.
Kaya ando sa kulang ka mga may
I'm gonna never record this here. What is that one place? Huh? I never saw this. Okay. Everybody. Oh boy, what's going on here so now? Hold on. Strong.
Right, which they open
Pizza cake, alright. But this is not. Oh, this is recording. This is recording. Oh, may I catch our back way to go outside? Celebrity, celebrity.
I think I need to change.
What's going on there? Oh, goddamn, I got them, 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 I got them.
Thank you.
Alright, so we're all going in front of that thing, right?
Oh, that's the background.
I've seen everybody.